Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch, aber mein Deutsch ist nicht so gut. Also muss ich English sprechen. So I speak in English. So a little bit about my company, Zendure. It's established in 2017, and actually we're the first one to introduce the modular storage system for balcony PV. And we're happy to see that more and more competitors are joining us in this industry to fulfill the mission of providing reliable and affordable clean energy for people worldwide. And I really like the topic today, whether it's passing hype or a stable trend. And my answer is definitely also the same to our friend from EcoFlow, that it is a stable trend. Why? Because everybody needs a clean energy solution that, helps them live better. And we believe that balcony PV storage is the right solution. It's cost effective, it's easy to use, and more importantly, it has become the cornerstone of a complete home energy management system, especially with the introduction of AI. That's why I'm talking about, mainly about AI today. With the AI, it will be much easier to use. And so this is our product portfolio since 2023. Since we launched the SolarFlow Hub in 2023, and we launched the Hyper 2000 last year, and this year we're launching two more new products: the SolarFlow 2400 AC and SolarFlow 800 Pro. The 2400 AC is already moving beyond balcony storage. It's actually a perfect companion for people who have a rooftop PV, and it will be a perfect solution for those people who want to install storage for the rooftop PV, because it will cost them several thousand euros to install a traditional home ESS system. But with us, our solution, they just need to spend 1,500 something, And the SolarFlow 800 Pro is the latest version of our balcony storage solution for people who want to start a complete storage PV for the balcony. And these two are the first AI integrated plug-in energy storage systems on the market. Before I go into the details of the AI, I would like to introduce to you the complete technology platform of Zendure, because that's the cornerstone of our AI. And at the bottom is the hardware, our inverters and batteries. And on top of it is the Zen Plus OS, which is our communication module, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. And then on top of that, we have the HAM system. And at the core of the HAM system, which the brain is called ZENKI, the AI robot, which I'll explain in the later pages. And on the top is the app, our apps, for the phones, for the tablet, etc. On the right side is the part where we're most proud of, is the third-party ecosystem. We're the first one, Zendure's the first one to collaborate with Shelly, and we're the first one to collaborate with EcoTracker, and we are the first one to work with Nord Pool, Dynamic Tariff, and later Robot Energy. And we have, in the past 2 years, we have successfully collaborated and established this ecosystem in Germany. And we are really proud of that, because this is I think that's the most valuable part. Because to enable the HAM system and to enable the AI algorithm, you have to have a lot of data, and the data comes from the third-party ecosystem, from the tariff suppliers, from the CT manufacturers, from the readers, etc. So this is very important. And next is our ZENKI, our AI system. With this option turned on, the customers can easily save, 20 up to 40%, 42% of the energy, comparing to traditional CT modes for the balcony plants. The reason we developed ZENKI is because there are still many issues. As the pioneer in this industry, we know there are still some headaches for the people who use balcony storage systems. On the economic side, people are still not 100% self-sufficient, and there's lack of visibility, lack of control. And on the environmental side, there are still issues like battery degradation and grid instability, and also there's the loss of the most important is the loss of clean energy. The loss of PV production. Sometimes they overcharge, and when the sun is shining at noon, they found out that the battery is not 100% full and they cannot charge. There are some problems like that, and we're here to solve that. So these are the technology behind ZENKI. The first one is that ZENKI is actually an intelligent energy management system, and it has predictive analytic engine, and it has adaptive decision intelligence, and it has a very user-friendly interface, and to summarize it, it's a sustainable living solution. And this is the technical theory behind the solution. We use predictive algorithm. It's kind of a neural network algorithm behind. So in our system, we have established a model using 1 year's historic data from our users. So we're using that model, and with the combined 7 days usage of any new user, the system will calculate how much they need, in the next few days, and we know exactly how much per hour they need, in the next few days. And also using weather plugin, we know how much energy they will generate the system next day in the next several days. And so with that kind of algorithm, we will know exactly what to do with the system. And the next one is our scheduling algorithm, which is a linear programming algorithm. There is infinite number of possibilities a system can do, right? At a certain moment, a system can discharge or charge, right? And it can charge from 100 watts to 800 watts, There are countless solutions, countless possibilities. And what is the best one? So we need to find out. So the AI here is to find out, based on the previous data, as mentioned, based on the PV forecast, based on the usage forecast, and based on the dynamic tariff, the system will know at this moment exactly what to do to discharge how much wattage or charge how much wattage. I'll give you some examples. So this is our laboratory result. In our lab, we have run in this algorithm for several months, and in our tests, the user can averagely save from 7 to 21% compared to traditional CT mode. And in some cases where the dynamic tariff has a huge gap, the price difference is huge, the system can save up to 42% compared to traditional CT mode. Here's an example which will make you easier to understand. Here you can have a look at the curve. This is an example from the traditional CT mode, which most of our industry is using. We first introduced in 2023, but later more and more companies are using CT mode. Actually, you see, if you don't have the prediction, if you don't have the PV prediction or user prediction, and the system will easily overcharge the one day before. For example, the next day it's a full sunny, shiny day, and actually PV production will be very good. But if the system charged or doesn't discharge enough, on the previous day. On the next noon, you'll find out that the battery is already full. It's too full, too soon. So at that time, you will lose a lot of solar storage. But with our AI mode, with ZENKI, the system will discharge at the best price, when the dynamic tariff is highest, to a level that will be exactly enough to charge the next day. So you see a perfect curve here the next day. There will be no solar loss for the next day. So this will save a lot of money for the user. Yeah, so that's the technical solution for ZENKI. And we are very proud that we have developed this solution. So we believe that this will maximize the green impact of balcony power plants. And with ZENKI, with this system, we believe that it will become a long-lasting trend for people who want to live a better life with clean energy. Thank you.